Welcome to Analytics Campus. I'm Dr. Mike, and in the next few minutes, I'll break this down in the simplest way possible. Imagine walking into a company meeting. A giant dashboard lights up the screen. Green arrows, rising charts, beautiful numbers. Everyone smiles. Sales are up. Engagement is climbing. Traffic looks amazing. But here's the scary part. What if all those numbers are hiding the real problem? Welcome to the dashboard trap. In today's world, dashboards are everywhere. Businesses use them, hospitals use them, governments use them. Even students and creators rely on analytics. Dashboards are supposed to help us make smarter decisions, but sometimes they do the opposite, because numbers can look impressive while telling the wrong story. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a website gets 1 million visitors in a month. Sounds incredible, right? But what if almost everyone leaves after just 3 seconds? The traffic number looks successful, but the actual user experience is terrible. This is called a vanity metric, a number that looks good but doesn't reflect real value. And this happens more often than people realize. A hospital dashboard might show shorter patient waiting times, but maybe doctors are rushing appointments too quickly. A social media dashboard may show millions of views, but very low trust or meaningful engagement. A company may celebrate increased productivity while employees are secretly burning out. The dashboard looks healthy, but reality tells a different story. This is the danger of focusing on metrics without context, because numbers alone do not explain human behavior. Good analytics is not about collecting more charts. It's about asking better questions. What does this number actually mean? What is missing from the data? What story are we not seeing? The best analysts understand something important. Data is powerful, but interpretation is everything. A dashboard should guide decisions, not replace thinking. So the next time you see beautiful graphs and rising numbers, pause for a second. Ask yourself, are these numbers showing the truth, or are we trapped by the dashboard? If you found this helpful, subscribe to Analytics Campus and turn on notifications so you never miss content that builds your data and AI skills.